A very good morning. This time I am here in the auditorium of KIIT Bhubaneswar, Odisha. The principals of different Vidyalayas of different regions, they have been invited at this very seminar that is being conducted by CBSE. And the topic of discussion of the seminar, that is facilitating school to work transition. This is the seminar, second seminar that is being organized by CBSE. All the principals of different regions, different states, and from different establishments, KBS, NBS, and also some private schools, they have been invited. So we have all come together to attend this very seminar, and we shall see what happens. But before that, I want to just give introduction of some of my friends, my fellow principals. They have also come to join this seminar. So with me here is Mr. Rakesh Kumar. So I would like to just listen few words from Rakesh Kumar about this seminar, why he has come, what is the purpose of coming, and where from he has come. Yes, Mr. Rakesh Kumar ji, please give your introduction.
Hi, thank you very much, Mr. Lal. See that this is a moment of pride for us that we have gathered here at the auditorium of Kalinga University. And the purpose of this particular seminar is nothing but to upgrade, upskill and update. And we are as a facilitator, we will facilitate school to work transition. And there the students would be given a lot of opportunity to upskill, upgrade and update their skills so that they will fit in this 21st century atmosphere. They would be able to do the best. And with us,
and another of my fellow principal, I would like to just have an introduction with him, Mr. K.S. Rawatji. So I would like to listen to word from K.S. Rawatji.
Hello, I am from KMC Kendriya Vidyalaya Behram. Also Vikas sir.
And my friend Manji also there. So say a few words, Mr. Vikas.
नमस्कार बड़े भाइयों के साथ बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, आनंददायक है। आशा करते हैं ये कार्यक्रम जो कार्यशाला है वो सबके लिए बड़ी उपयोगी हो। धन्यवाद।
And also with us, our most elderly and senior citizen of my fellow principal, there is Mr. Saran. So I would like to listen a few words from Mr. Saran.
थैंक यू वेरी मच इतना बड़ा बनाने के लिए। बस एक भारत में बहुत सारे अलग अलग भाषा संस्कृति का आनंद लो, मजे करो।
Say a few words about this seminar, please.
बड़ा आनंददायक है, अच्छा लग रहा है। अलग अलग भाषा संस्कृति रहन सहन खान पान देख करके और KVS ने अवसर दिया है, तो केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन और अधिकारियों को धन्यवाद। दिल से आभार, सीखने का अवसर मिला और आपके साथ जीने का एक पल वो अलग ही आनंद है, तो उसका भी फायदा उठाया।
इस भव्य सभागार में भगवान जगन्नाथ के शरण स्थली में एक भारत में विभिन्न भारतों को अवलोकन करते हुए विभिन्न संस्कृति के लोग यहाँ पे पधारे हुए हैं, विभिन्न प्रदेशों से आए हैं। उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन करके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। तो पुनः एक बार इस KIIT यूनिवर्सिटी को और केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन को बहुत बहुत
So these are my fellow principals. They have come to join this very seminar, and we are very hopeful that we are going to learn, because the principals from different regions, different states, and different establishments they have come, and the officials from CBSE they are coming, and because the seminars must happen, and all the dignitaries, all the officials, all learned people and educationists, they must come together and they must talk, because the slogan word that is written on the very entry gate, that is upgrade, update and upskill. That is very requirement of 21st century. So we all the principals, until we just upgrade ourselves, upskill ourselves and upgrade ourselves, how can just we upgrade our teachers and upgrade our coming generation students? True. So more words I want to listen from Mr. Rakesh, my principal.
how nice! So nice of you. You give me the opportunity to speak. See that when we come from the far places, definitely we break the ice. We do have the mindset that yes, we are going to different places, and this is the platform where we will learn a lot. We'll listen from the expert, and we will get our mindset changed, and then finally we'll take from here, and then we'll go and transact to our students also. So I hope that this this opportunity, this platform will definitely bring a lot of change and improvement in our attitude too. Last but not the least, I am very much thankful to our patrons. Most important, our Honorable Deputy Commissioner Sir, Sanjeev Sinha Sir, they have sent us here, and definitely they have recognized that yes, after this particular exposure, we will definitely bring a change to our students also. So, from the heart, big thank you, sir, and thank you all. Let's hope that this stay or this exposure will bring change. Thank you very much. Thank
No
you to
doubt, no doubt. Whatever you have said, that is going to be true to ourselves, because we are lucky enough. Out of all 64 Kendriya Vidyalayas, we all are selected for joining this very seminar that is being conducted, because the representatives from different Vidyalayas all over the states, they are coming, they are joining. So it is going to be very enlightening, very fruitful for ourselves. So we are very hopeful, and we are very excited to listen, to learn, to know what's going on, because we are very curious about that one. And at this place we are not feeling that we are principal, rather we are feeling ourselves as a student, learner, to know something. So that out of that curiosity, out of that excitement, we are sitting over here, and enthusiasm from our faces, you can just understand that how much curious, how much excited we are to listen, to understand, to learn so many new things that is going to be just shared over this place. So this is going to be a big, huge learning experiences for all of us, and when we shall just go to our workplace, we shall surely implement, and surely we all should thank to our Deputy Commissioner sir, Mr. Sandeep Sinha sir, to give this opportunity to be part of this national level seminar at Bhubaneswar. So many other principals, they have also come. They are just
interacting.
yeah, they are interacting ourselves. So because I think 10 all principals from Kolkata region. So we all five we were staying together at one place. Others they have just arrived. So we are all 10. They have showed their presence. They have just showed their attendance over here. So this is going to be very fruitful. Thank you to all our officials of Kolkata region. Thank you very much to give this opportunity to be the part and parcel of this learning seminar. Thank you very much.